So nakagamit ka og full pages. So importante ani nga naagi ni siya pages. So hope everyone you learn from ani nga kuan ha. So this is a comment to kuan, a commentary for all. So tanaw na to ang entry sa number 1. So you will debit cash, you credit campus capital, so correct. And then you acquire an equipment, you debit 72, and then you pay in cash. So, hindi rin nato makita no for natong everybody's consumption. When we receive cash, ato siyang debit. Okay, it will increase the amount of asset we have. But the moment ato siyang ipagawas, ato na siyang dibayad, muna ato siyang di-credit. The credit will decrease the amount of asset we have sa company. So, yun ang iyang essence, the very essence of the debit and credit. For an asset account, if you want to increase the value, imo siyang i-debit. Yeah, kung imo siyang i-decrease ang value, imo siyang i-credit. So that is for asset and expenses. Take a look at the entry of credit nato campus capital. Ako lang i-reiterate itong atong i-discuss. Capital liability, normal balance anak niya is a credit account. So that, like for example, in transaction number 2, we set up an accounts payable. So meaning, ato siyang di-increase ang atong accounts payable mo, nga ato siyang di-credit. So that's the essence of atong rule of debit and credit. So correct entry number 2. Number 3, you have rent expense, and then you credit cash. Again, rent expense, normal balance anak niya is debit. And then with the credit and cash, because we pay in cash the rent expense, so this will impact that will reduce your cash. And then prepaid insurance is an asset, we pay in cash, so atong i-reduce in cash. And then in number 5, we got laundry supplies on account, so that we debit laundry supplies and then we credit accounts payable. And then that's number 5. July 5. In July 14, we pay for a salary, and then we credit cash 7,000. Then 16, nahalinan ka. So that's why you receive in cash amounting to 15. Yeah, the balance of 5, wala man siya gibayaran. So you debit another asset account, which is accounts receivable. And then you credit revenue, laundry revenue. Always remember, ang revenue, ang normal entry, niya normal balance is a credit. Manang ato siya i-credit sa ating entity. And then numbers sa July 20, so look at the accounts payable. Ibayaran naman nato ang atong payables. So what will happen to our payable? That will decrease by amounting to 5. Kung ato siyang debit, because that will decrease our accounts payable. And then we credit at the same time cash, that will decrease cash. And then, sa 21, you receive a down payment of 3,000 on another debit card cash, and then you credit unearned revenue. Unearned revenue, considering unearned, no, unearned. So you're still not worth to receive that amount. Dili pa na due mo unearned. So that gives rise to a liability amounting to 3,000. Kaya what if may mo siya, hindi na lang kung magpalaba, you need to return the money. So ikaw ron ang nakautang kay you receive cash, at wala pa rin mo siya i-perform ang service. So ikaw ang utangan. And then 28, you have, saan pa siya 28? Payment of electricity. I think ano siya, no, electricity expense or utility. Parang electricity na siguro ginamit anin niyang na account. So you credit cash. Specific na to ha ang kanang atong kuan. Sure, sige gamit anin. O sige gamit anin nga expense ninyo. i-check lang ha, na account kita. Gigamit ani niya nga account is electricity expense. So we should be specific and consistent when using an account. So kung hindi siya nga specific nga expense na gamit ka tag electricity nga expense, consistent na gid nga electricity atong gamiton. So it dili dapat VECO or utilities but rather electricity expense para consistent ta kahit o mahitabo lain-lain nga account atong gamiton so di na siya magkita so it will appear nga there will be other expenses na mo appear sa atong libro. So that will not be, it will not return the correct value or correct amount of the expense. Okay. And then we have here honors withdrawal, 4,000 and cash. And then on the 30th, nahalinan siya in cash. So receive siya cash, lorry revenue, correct? And then sa 30, telephone. So telephone expense atong gamiton ha. And then with credit cash. And then salary. Are we using... Okay, so typical example ani ha. Sa 30, nagamit ang salary expense. Unya din sa 40 nagamit ang wages expense. So supposed to be, this should be the same, no? So it's either we will use wages expense consistently or salaries expense consistent siya. All throughout na siya, umoy atong gamiton. Kaya mahitabo, paghimo ang atong financial statement, there is the salary expense will appear na 7 and then wages expense will appear at the same time, the same pila man yung amount gigamit, 7,000. So dili sila makita ang value. So muna atong dumduman ha. So that's why sa next nato nga activity, remember katong chart of account.
Models extended object.
We have to
So object models as
the same
particles,
account
instead of using objects, we can
it
replace
pertains
them
to
with
the
a
same
single point.
transaction.
Usually, this is used in a lab.
So with that, how about others?
Object,
Do you have the same
for it to become
activity
standard
here?
equilibrium
Same
is
or any
not
questions?
equal to zero.
Kay I hope ang
Equal to
katong
zero.
11 na wala
For object model
nakasakit,
as a
I hope
particle, the
kuan
only
lang no
condition
kanang
is
time
for that source to
issues.
be equal to
It's
zero,
not because
since the
wala mo kahibalo o unsaon paghimo. People, tell me. Hello? Dulce, are you ABM or STEM? Dulce? Tracy, usa ka, STEM ka or ABM? Hello? Tracy? Okay, tao.
STEM, Miss.
STEM. Okay. So somehow,
STEM, Miss.
okay, just just be kuan kay ako.
Alam mo, hindi ko madunggan.
Wala ko kadungog. I'm trying to assess you learn this by yourself or somehow you ask help from your ABM classmate.
Nag-ask kog help, Miss. Pero akong gi-ask nga help kay di sad siya IBM. Then kanang nagtanaw sa kog mga YouTube series about sa kanang credit debit.
Okay. So before we do this activity somehow very vague kaayo no. from the tabular niya ato siyang gi-convert to journal entry rao kuan pa kaayo very vague kaayo ang idea nimo. But the moment after doing this activity with your other research also sa libro sa YouTube, so somehow na solidify ba ang understanding nimo sa journal? Casey? How do you assess your understanding about
Yes,
making a
miss.
journal?
Yes, miss.
So, I hope, no, katong 11, and then I'm also expecting, um, I hope, di na lang kung expect, I hope the rest of the class uh, share the same experience with Tracy, or else let me know para kung kailangan pa ba nato ni siya nga i-kuan kanang i-expound more. Dili na hinay kaayo akong connection ni okay lang. Okay. So with that, after going through the activity of Tracy, mo ato taglain ha, ato lang i-kuan, ato lang kay akang sa imo Tracy, kailangan lang og date, no? Kailangan og date. So, oras to. Okay. Here, okay. Tama siya, naka-DR, tama ang date. But no need to put in here DR or CR. So the very ano purpose na ato siyang i-write to the left ang DR and then i-extend na to the right at least half an inch ang credit niya, another half an inch to the right explanation at to give ko ano kana visual ko aniya visual guide nga kana siya mura ba kanang ko ana ba kanang we understand each other already na kani siya debit siya kani siya credit and explanation the very purpose nga in ang iyang placement. So my point here is no need to put in the DR, no need to put in the CR. Okay? So, Duran. And
Yes,
then,
miss.
okay, so, dash. And then, your explanation, mao gihapon to no katong the way ato siyang gikuan to the leftmost yun is what nato ang debit entry o niya half an inch, niya half an inch. Okay? So this one here, ang kulang pud ani niya nato ang ano ang page number. Yeah, in between, you need to skip one row or one line. Yeah, I have to proceed to the next entry. Okay? Sige, mangita pa tang lain para makuha na to, makikita na to. So mao gihapon no ang kuan niya, no need to put in the RCR, then skip one line and then put dash and then put page number. Okay, so tama na ang dates. So tama na si so look at atong ko ano butang nga natong BR nga cash nga Maricampos Capital. So kung again guys, ko no, universal understanding nga kanang ato siyang indent to the left. Again, ako rin nag-reiterate and then skip one line. Tumawag gihapon no, ang kuan. Tumawag gihapon kuan nato. So, take a look at the kuan yan no, the way ang iyang visually kuan siya no, kanang na-visual clutter kung tanaw nato nag-DR pa ka niya wala tong i-indent. So, kaan siya ka na-clutter tanaw nato. Yan ana ba. Compared to katong kanina nga naa siya naka-indent siya somehow very kanisiya again ato siyang isuwat kita dire extended nato to the left Yeah, indent, yeah, ang atang explanation. Kita ka pa. So, gigamit nimo ko ano, yellow pad. Ilang na siya. But ang importante nato din, I'm not saying na okay lang. So, naging, kung ano lang ka, naging, gosh. Yeah, no need to po, no need to put underline. Look at ang iyang ko ano, kung naagit siya yung visual clutter, kung atong naatay idugang nga mga kuan, naatay idugang nga mga entries, or yeah, okay, look at here. Ato siyang gi-indent, yeah, nag-skip ta one line, yeah, wala ka nagbutang o DR, CR, wala na ka nagbutang o CR. So somehow, di ba, mag-compare nato siya nga mas kuan nato siya tan-aon. Hayahay sa matatan-aon kung ingon ana ang atong kuan, ingon ana ang atong the way we kuan we accomplish the journal. Balikan na po tong kuan, itong word. What happened? Okay, kani. Ang akong gi-expect ani pa nga kuan nato, journal pa lang sa ang akong gi-expect nga na input. So at least kuan, wala pa siya kuan ha, wala pa man ta nag-learn o post. So akong gi-expect ani, wala pa siya reference, posting reference. So kani siya kani nga activity na po, pa siya posting reference. Wala atong himuon today. So sa may issue ani wala siya gi ko ano edit na skip a line in between. Okay, so kailangan na siya and then page number.